Hello and welcome back to English Level 2. This is Maestra Miriam Jaime, and today we're going to continue with today's topic, that is present continuous, but now with the negative form. When do we use the present continuous with negative form? We use it for actions not happening at the moment of speaking. For example, am I running right now? No, I'm not running. Am I singing right now? No, I'm not thinking, I'm teaching. But when I'm not doing an action at the moment of speaking, I use the past continuous in the negative form. So the formula, the structure is the subject plus the verb to be in the negative form plus the verb with ing plus my predicate. And an example is, my friends aren't going to the movies tonight. So here I have my friends, that is my subject. Aren't, that is my verb in the negative form, and going, that is my verb with my ing form. Probably my friends are going to have dinner, or probably they're going to sleep early because they're tired, but they're definitely not going to the movies tonight. Now we have this picture where we see Cindy, Grandma Sue, the dog Yuso, Baby Ben, Bat, and even Ivan. Here we can see in the picture that Cindy and Eva aren't singing. They are doing homework. Can you see them? They're right here on the table. Ivan and Cindy, they are not singing. They're doing their homework. Number 2, Baby Ben isn't sleeping. Can we see Baby Ben? He's not sleeping. He looks like he's playing with some blocks or some balls that he has. Well, he's playing, but he isn't sleeping. Number 3, Dad and Grandma Sue aren't eating, they're enjoying drinks. So here we see that Dad is drinking tea or coffee, and Grandma is drinking tea as well. But they are not eating, they're drinking. Number 4, Yuso isn't running in the park, he is resting. Here we see Yuso. He's definitely not running. He isn't running, but he's resting. He's laying down in the carpet in the living room with the family. And finally, number 5, you aren't texting in your phone. That's for you. Right now, you aren't texting on your phone, are you? You are practicing English. And well, now we have an exercise for you. You need to select the correct option. This has to do more with grammar, more with the verb to be that you have to choose. Remember that we use the verb to be according to the subject. If your subject is I, you use I am. And for the negative, you use I am not. If you're using he, she, or it as a subject, then the verb to be you use is, and the negative isn't. But if you use you, we, they, you use are or aren't for the negative. Remember that. Now for number 1, Cindy isn't playing chess, or Cindy aren't playing chess. What is the correct option? Correct. The right answer is Cindy isn't playing chess because Cindy is a she, and she uses is and isn't. Number 2, Baby Ben aren't eating, or Baby Ben isn't eating. Correct. Baby Ben isn't eating, and that's because Baby Ben is a he. So he isn't, and then the verb with ing. Number 3, Even and Dad isn't feeding the dog, or Even and Dad aren't feeding the dog. What is the correct option? You're right. Even and Dad aren't feeding the dog. And why is that? Because Even and Dad, together, Even and Dad is they. So with the pronoun they, we use are and aren't. And finally, number 4, Grandma Sue, I'm not watching TV, or Grandma Sue isn't watching TV. Correct. Grandma Sue is a she, so she isn't watching TV. And now we're going to do some other topic that is related also to present continuous. That is present continuous questions with who. As you know, who means what is the person, like the person. The person is going to be the answer for the question, who. So what you do is you discover who, the person that is doing an action in this moment. The answer is always the subject. The formula for doing these questions is always the same. You write or you say the WH word, in this case who, and then you add the verb to be, am, is, or are, then the verb with ing, and finally whatever predicate you have. An example, who is, the verb to be, feeding, my verb with ing, the dog, that is my predicate. Who is feeding the dog? And the answer will be the person that is doing the action at that moment. My sister is feeding the dog. I am not, but my sister is feeding the dog. Okay guys, well this was everything for today. Again, my name is Miriam Jaime. I hope that you understand this topic, but if you didn't, you can watch the video again. I would like you to also repeat, maybe in this slide, you can go back and re-watch the video and practice the pronunciation as you listen to me saying